Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the bike and removing the front wheel and any brake calipers. This prevents accidental movement. Next, you loosen the stem pinch bolts and turn out the top cap just enough to remove preload. This frees the steerer from compression. While you work, mark spacer order and take photos so reassembly is exact. Once done, slide the stem and spacers up the steerer carefully. Make sure to keep parts in sequence to avoid guessing later. You now remove the stem and spacers fully, and if the fork is stuck, give the steerer a light tap down to free it. Then lift the fork straight out to avoid scoring the head tube. Once the fork is out, handle bearings and seals gently. Use a headset cup press for tight cups or a mallet and drift with a wood block as protection. After cups move, extract them and inspect bearings, crown race, and head tube for wear so you know what needs replacing. You finish by thoroughly cleaning the head tube, cups, and crown race area so new parts seat properly. Press new cups and crown race evenly to the correct depth. Grease bearings lightly and reassemble spacers and stem in the original order, then preload and torque bolts to the manufacturer's spec. Once done, test for smooth rotation and no play. If you find binding or play, back off preload, reseat cups and bearings, then fine-tune preload until steering is smooth and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.